Self Visa Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people don't realize that Self is not just a credit card. It is a full credit building system, and the Visa card is only one piece of it. In 2025, Self remains one of the most unique ways to build credit, and here's why. Self starts with a credit builder account. You make monthly payments into a locked savings account, and those payments are reported to the credit bureaus. Once you build a positive payment history, you become eligible for the Self Visa credit card. This card is secured, which means your credit limit is based on the money you have saved in your Self account. The more you save, the higher your credit limit can be. This creates a powerful system where your savings and your credit grow at the same time. There is no annual fee for the card itself, but the credit builder loan does include small administrative fees. Still, for many people, the benefits outweigh the costs. The Self card reports to all major credit bureaus. On-time payments can significantly improve your credit score over time. Most people get this wrong, but credit scores are built on consistency, not speed. Self is designed to help you build that consistency. There are no rewards on this card. It is not meant for travel points or cashback. It is meant to be safe, simple, and effective. The biggest downside is that it takes patience. You cannot instantly get a high limit. You must first build your savings and payment history. But that slow process is exactly what makes Self powerful for people who have struggled with credit in the past. Imagine someone who has collections, late payments, and low scores. Self gives that person a structured plan to rebuild their financial reputation step by step. So is Self worth it in 2025? If you want to build credit and savings at the same time and are willing to be patient, Self is an excellent option. If you want instant high limits and rewards, look elsewhere. Self is not fast, but it is reliable. And sometimes reliability is exactly what your financial life needs.